morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, my friends.
You have to describe yourself. Means you have to take only 3 lines and you have to describe yourself. My mean to say you have to introduce yourself in 3 lines.
3 lines.
Okay. First, sir, my name is Anjali Verma, and I have completed my BCom, MCom from MDU University, and I am accountant, and I am working. In this time, I am working, and I have a good experience in my fields. So,
Okay, good. So now there is a question for you. Can you describe a moment when you felt really proud of something you achieved at your workplace, college or school? Any achievement of yours which made you feel proud? It may be related to present, your
Okay.
school or college.
when I got a first job, so I really proud myself.
Okay, you felt proud.
Because my parents in my parents only give small money, and I have no idea when I earn money first time, so it's very precious time for me when I got my first salary, and me also proud myself, and my parents also proud me.
Okay, it is really good. Now man is going to ask.
Okay, so as you have said that you have done the MBA,
MB MCom.
MCom. Okay.
You also mentioned MBA.
Me also
MCom.
MCom
MCom.
MCom BCom MCom.
MCom, and you are accountant right now.
Yes.
Okay. So, what inspired you to choose the commerce background?
Because when I completed my 10th class, so I felt because my interested in computer line, so I decided after the 10th I will take commerce line, and then after I decided uh, I will make career in my accounts field, so I choose my accounts line.
Okay, I have got a question for you. What is your dream company you want to work in?
Dream
Dream company you want to work in?
dream company means
A firm or company?
Your dream company you
dream
want to
company.
work
Dream company. My dream company is MNC company.
Any particular name?
Particular name Annexer. IBM. I know about many names.
IBM and
IBM, Annexer, Genpact.
TCS.
I forget. Yes.
what your dream company like?
Annexer first.
Okay. Now this is the interview of that company.
Okay.
Now the company is asking you what motivated you to apply for this role and what excites you about working with our company. How would you answer this question?
Could you please once?
What motivated you to apply for this role and what excites you about working with our company? If I say in a simple word, why do you want to work with us?
In Annexer company.
Yes.
Because I have skills, and I have a good knowledge of accounting, so and I know about myself, and I have good skills in account field, so I will apply in Annexer company,
I think you
because
have,
I know very well I have how much I knowledge in
I
my.
think you haven't got my question clearly. I'm asking like why this company only? Why us? We are not asking why only you. We are asking why us.
Why you are joining me?
Why you want to
Why
join?
should we hire you?
Okay.
Why do you want to join us? Why?
Because other options are also there. If you would like to get Accenture, you are talking about the company you have named. The company wants to know why they should hire you. Other people are also there.
Okay,
I
okay,
have
okay,
also
okay, okay, okay.
misunderstood.
Okay, okay, okay.
Why do you want to choose this company only?
Yes.
Why us? There are a number of companies in the market. You have named 3-4 names. Why us?
Because I heard Annexer company and I know about your company, and
Please, same we are asking what do you
What
know
do
about
you
this? We are asking same thing, what do you know about this?
explain.
Okay, there is no problem. So there is a very simple question for
Okay.
you. Okay, if you have been given an opportunity to be the character out of book, movie, or real life, what would you like to be and why? Suppose 3D movie is there.
Yes.
So I want to be the character, particular character of that movie, and I will give you the reason also why do I want to be him or her. In the same manner, I have given an opportunity to you. You are allowed or you are given an opportunity to be a particular character out of a book, movie,
Okay.
or real life. Who will be that and why?
If you give me a chance and an opportunity, so I like character IPS officer.
IPS officer.
Officer.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Because my dream is I will become a IPS officer, and I like it.
Okay, you like it.
Okay, so should we ask our last question?
Yeah, last question.
Okay. Do you have any regrets in your life?
Regrets.
Regrets. Pachtawa.
Any mistake you committed, anything you committed, and because of that you regret.
You regret.
In my childhood,
Since childhood, huh?
Okay.
You can use.
in my regret, before when I complete my 10th, so I never focus my study, and I have faces many problem, basic many problems. So I degrade in this time, and I faces many problem because when and on the time I did study carefully, so I can't face problem in this time.
Okay. If
And-
you had studied hard,
Yes,
you would not
yeah.
have faced all these problems.
Problem.
Okay, if you are not facing any kind of problem, it happens with everybody. Okay, if everybody becomes Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, no one will be the clerk and the accountant who will take care money they are. Okay, so please put your hands together for us.